Imagine this. You wake up, grab your phone, and see money deposited into your bank account while you were sleeping. No alarms, no rushing to a job, no stress. It feels like magic, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's called passive income. In 2025, passive income isn't just for the rich or the lucky. With tools like AI, online platforms, and financial apps, anyone can create multiple income streams. Yes, I mean anyone. But before we dive into the how, let's make sure we understand the what. What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn without working actively every single day. Think of it like planting a tree. At first you dig, plant, and water it, that's the hard part. But once the tree grows, it gives you fruit and shade for years with little effort. Here's the catch. Passive income isn't easy money. It requires an upfront investment of time, effort, or money to get started. But once it's up and running, it gives you freedom. Freedom to spend time with family, travel, or pursue your passions. Now let's explore 5 practical ways to build passive income.
Real estate is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to earn passive income. Here's how. Rental properties. Buy a house or apartment and rent it out to tenants. Every month the rent they pay becomes your income. The upfront work involves buying and maintaining the property, but once it's rented, it generates consistent income. Short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent your property to travelers. If you live near tourist spots or business hubs, this can bring in even more money. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Don't want the hassle of owning property? REITs let you invest in real estate without buying buildings. It's like owning a tiny piece of a giant property company. Why real estate works. People will always need places to live, work, and vacation. That's why real estate remains a dependable way to build wealth.
Imagine owning a tiny piece of a big company like Apple or Coca-Cola. Every time that company makes a profit, they share some of it with you. This is called a dividend. Dividend stocks. Some companies pay dividends to their shareholders regularly. All you need to do is buy and hold the stock. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks. Instead of buying shares in one company, you invest in a group of them. Many ETFs pay dividends too. The benefit over time, these payments can grow, especially if you reinvest them to buy more stocks. It's like planting more trees in your financial garden. Online businesses. Starting an online business has never been easier thanks to platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and YouTube. Here are some ideas. E-commerce. Sell products online. Anything from clothes and gadgets to handmade crafts. Digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or templates. Once made, these can be sold repeatedly with no extra effort. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your recommendation. Why this works. Once your business is automated, you can make money even while you sleep. Selling intellectual property. If you're creative, your work can earn money long after it's made. This is called intellectual property. Music and photos. Musicians earn royalties every time their songs are streamed or played. Photographers can sell their work on stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Books. Authors earn royalties by selling books in various formats, ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to self-publish. Software and apps. Developers can create apps or software and earn from downloads or subscriptions. High-yield savings accounts and bonds. For those who prefer low-risk options, high-yield savings accounts and bonds are excellent choices. High-yield savings accounts. These pay more interest than regular accounts, helping your money grow steadily without effort. Bonds. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government, and they pay you back with interest over time. Why choose these? They're not flashy, but they're safe and reliable. Perfect for cautious investors. The big picture. Building passive income isn't just about making money, it's about creating freedom. Imagine having the time to travel, spend quality moments with loved ones, or pursue your passions, all without worrying about bills. The key is to start now. Choose one strategy, take that first step, and let your money start working for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Galaxy TVs, and turn on the bell for more tips on financial freedom. Remember, failing to plan today is planning to fail tomorrow. Your journey to passive income starts now.